Stream Elements. Neostormer is now live. Streaming Science and Technology. 853rd stream.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the stream. We are on day 853 of our continuous streaming challenge. Back working on the camera mount project. I'm going to quickly transfer this file to the printer, get it exported. And we'll get working on some design. I have some stuff I would like to build. I am in kind of a rush today. I don't know how much time I have. It's the girlfriend's birthday, and I would like to actually spend time with her. Okay, so I kind of figured out a solution for how I'm going to deal with this mess of having two plates next to each other. I thought, oh, I'm going to have to make some weird mounting system. It turns out all I need to do is put a plate in between this. So, let's see if I already have this. I already have the aluminum extrusions. So, good there. I'll put those down here. Then I have, if I can get these out at one go. I have the carriages already pre-done. These are from a previous project. I have some belt. It seems to be about the right length for what I need. I have the pulley that I need for the belt at the top. What else do I have? What do you call it? The nuts. The T-nuts and M5 6mm screws. So I think I can put the whole project together with just that. I think that's it. So the biggest issue I'm having right now is I need to be able to stick these two pieces together, but these are all threaded holes. So I need to hold them like this. So what I'm thinking is, if I widen this out, it can be fairly thin. If I widen that out, put a block in here, and have counterbore holes that screw to this plate on 2 of the holes and then the opposite 2 on here. Then I can put them together and screw in from the other side to pull the 2 pieces together. So this piece only has to be enough to support the head of the screw, which these are ultra low profiles, and then a little bit of material to just sort of hold the 2 pieces together. But most of the strength is going to be from the aluminum itself. In addition to that, I also need to make sure I can still thread the belt through this. Okay, so let's move forward with this. I am printing off one of these pieces just to make sure it fits with this, as this part is exactly the same. If this fits, we'll go ahead and produce the other side as well. But yeah, I'm fairly certain I can get most of this put together within the next day or so. As far as the weighted lead beads, I'm going to have to source those, purchase them. I don't know how much I need. Extra is not going to be a problem, so I will order as much as I think I will need. Because if I have excess, I'm sure I can find a reason for using it. I could have, in hindsight, printed this part out, and then that way I could have printed that last night and had a part ready to go. But we'll make do with what we've got. I really do think 6mm screws will be the thing that can hold the entire project together. It's not the first time I've used 2020. Clearly I have the components for it. I just need to make sure that I'm not limiting myself by using a single screw type. So I need to develop this plate in between. So create part studio, part 5. Well, how have I developed everything else so far? I guess, well, did that part that way. Yeah, let's do it off the right side. I believe it's 50 by 50. Don't know the radius. What is the screw head height? .6, 1.5. We should go. We'll go 4mm. That might work out best. That's where the threads start. These threads are countersunk, so maybe we only need to go 3. Let's look at the ultra low profile screws. I think that's what they're classified as on the master. Metric M5 sockets. They're either low or ultra low. They're low. Yeah, they're ultra low. M6. So yeah, if you're curious about what the screws are for open builds, it's literally these. You can sort of see on the schematic right here there's a bit of a shaft here, and I want to make sure I accommodate that. So if it's 1.7, I think we could do 3 millimeter. .5. Second in position. 1.5. Yeah, no. If we assume that's 2, maybe we go 4. I'm not squabbling over it. You hear the noise in the background? That is 3D printer. Okay, 4.635. I don't know why that's a radius. At all. I don't know. Maybe we just make it 5 millimeter. You know what? Doesn't matter. Let's just copy it. If it doesn't match, I know better than to trust it. .635. Yeah, I don't know why that measurement was used. Center point. Yes. I'm gonna assume 10. Okay, they didn't tap those. The distance between them is 10. Let's put a center hole on that. I think it'd be worth it. Head width is 8.5 millimeter. How do I want to attach this? I probably want to use centers, and the axis is moving. If the bar goes this way, Yes. Yes, I do. Move 2. Gantry is 6. I've got screw holes here that might reference. They made that 10. 10's not a bad option. Is getting pretty loud. To the assembly. Did appearance gray. Design material PETG. Okay, I gotta find the plate that this works with. It's probably fairly early on. Inserts. Yes. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I kind of like the sandwich look. And then that allows me to fit a tool through there. I can probably put the screws in now. Let's go ahead and download that part. Import. Low head screw. I like the blue. Insert ultra low. Yeah, maybe I could have recessed the head, but there's only 2 millimeters of material. Why? Oh, because there were some that got broken. Okay, that should be all the screws put in there. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to tighten those screws when these rails are on, but I don't need to. Ultra low, assign material, steel. Black oxide steel. There we go. Set screws I don't have right now. Okay, let's see. Let's add a new folder and we'll call it Open Builds. We're just going to put it all in there if it's related to it. We called this part the runner. Stand, the weight, and I don't know what to call this one. Call it the mid plate. Still don't know what I'm calling this. You know what? It's got a pi 0 in it. Zero cam. Zero stand. Zero mounts. Zero arm. Yeah, we'll call it the zero arm. I still got to do the base and the weight as far as how I'm going to fill each of those. The part that's on the bed is almost finished. I'm certainly not going to finish printing parts on stream. I got to do that overnight. So next stream I should have all the parts. I can figure out how I'm going to do the weighting. far only takes 25 minutes to print. It's fairly solid. If it fits, then I've figured out a few measurements I need to work with. But once I get it off the bed and I test it, it should be fairly easy to figure out where I'm going from there. What was... Okay, so this was 5, and this was 5.5. So we'll figure out if the hole size on that is adequate, or if it needs to be smaller. And I can base everything else off of that. I can knock this out. I don't think I need a counterbalancing weight. Just to have an end cap. Yeah, so the way these work is you slide it on. 2 of these have an eccentric nut on each end. And so that should go parallel with what you're trying to run on. Come on, these are working early. There we go. And so then it becomes a nice smooth roller. And in theory, if both are good, it should work. And it doesn't travel all that much. So, you know, the weight and the rollers provide a little bit of friction. So my print's finished, but it's going to take a little bit of time before I can pull it off the bed. I'm really happy with that. Really happy with the design so far. It's nice that I found the simple way of attaching the 2 hogs together. I was thinking I might need to bore some holes out. These look like they're pretty much perfect. Yeah, if I'd done it the other way, the screws could potentially encroach on the axis itself. I didn't want to do that. So I still have to make an attachment method for the weight. I need to add a way to add weight to it. And same with the base plate. I need to add a way of filling it. I would like to keep the holes on the bottom and then find a way to cap them. But I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to do that. Hopefully my dimensions for this are correct. Alright, let me go see if I can pull a part off. It might be too early. It's a bit too hard. Let's take a look at the weights. I kind of have a feeling I want to do something like a coin cell removal. I don't know. I'm gonna have to cut my stream a bit short. Thing is, I don't quite know how to do screws. Oh, look, external thread, and a hole. Okay. That is purely representation. That doesn't actually show. Yeah, that's the one thing I've not figured out in Onshape that I can do in SOLIDWORKS is how to do threads. I'm kind of tempted to just make it so that one of these screws can go in and cap a hole. But it requires that the screw size match whatever the BBs are. Lead shot. £2 of lead shot. I don't know if that's enough. £5, £3. Copper plated. I don't need anything that fancy. I've heard BBs are the best. Just 2 bags for 25 seems like kind of a high ask. lot of people are using this as a weight. Each pellet is very round and smooth. They're about 16-inch in diameter. Okay. Orange. 5-pound bag. $33. Alright, let me double check on the part. Ooh, I like that. That works really well. This, yeah, even holds itself in. Meets the clearance. Sizing is nice. Nice round profile. Let's see if I got the right tool for this. Bigger. It's one of the biggest. Yep. Nothing sharp on that one. Some of these aren't exactly cut. Oops. Okay, so that wasn't this part, that's the problem. Glad it changed the view on my camera. This actually helps. It's tight. Beautiful. Alright, I will print another one of those. I like the snug fit. That works really well. It's not going anywhere. Even with only one side on it, I could imagine it holding the weight. I will go ahead and have the printer do another set. Actually, what I'm gonna do is download the mid plate. Export. And I'm going to add that part. I want to print output option, complete individual object. I want this part to only be supported from the bed. Paints. No. I don't want any of this supporting. Good. Oops. Yeah, I want these both to be on one part. Grab flash drive. And I think because I don't want to do any more work until this is all printed, I might go ahead and end early. Runner. Plus runner.
Bleeding Rain. Bleed Purple.
Alright, get this printed, and I will call it a day. I'm not going to do a raid. There's no point. I don't want to waste time. Yeah, I will call it there. I'm happy with the progress. I'm happy with the fitment. I do like that this works now. Really happy with the calibration on my printer. I haven't really had to do a lot of maintenance with it. But anyway, with that, day 853 of my continuous streaming challenge complete. Thank you all for tuning in, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye.